If you have been following my channel for a while, you will know that I'm a lover of Valentine. Yes, I'm here today to present to you Valentine's outfit idea that you can actually shop from your closet. You all know I'm all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank, so I shop everything I'm going to be showing you in this video from my closet. I only have one dress that is new, and that dress is purchased from Walmart. Yes, and I'm going to present it in this video. This is an evidence for you all to see that I shop this from my closet. All right, so ladies, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, and please do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. We're going to be getting two styles from this particular outfit. I'm going to be pairing this outfit with a purse that was given to me by one of my friends, and whatever anybody gives me, I cherish it so much. I want to use this time to say thank you, girl, if you're watching this video, for this amazing purse. I appreciate you. God bless you.
Just pulled up to the house.
Next outfit, which is the second one, is the dates, a coffee dates. All right, depending on your choice, some I want to do denim, some they don't want to do denim. So in this case, I have this top from Michael Kors that I'm going to be styling with these two pants. This first pant is from Express. Also, I'm going to be styling it with this leather from Zara. So it's just depending on your preference, how you want your coffee date to look like. This is how I want mine to be. I want it to be very chic and very classy and elegant at the same time.
I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that mentality.
The next outfit, it's gonna be our movie date. You know, in the movie theater it gets cold most times because of they will put on the either come rain come sunshine. I feel like it gets cold inside that place, so I wouldn't want to recommend something that is sleeveless, so I'm going to be going with this sweater. I also purchased this from Walmart, but it's been a while. It's from Time and True, and this is the one I'm going to be pairing with this jeans from Michael Kors. Ladies, please, if you're still watching this video up until this time and you have not subscribed, please do consider subscribing and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And for date nights with your man, your boyfriend, your mom friend, your husband, I would recommend a dress. All right, this is the dress I'm going to be styling. This dress is by STH Cute. I partnered with them towards the end of last year. Some of you might have seen this dress in my short video, but today I'm going to wear it appropriately, the way it's supposed to be, because when I tried this on, I was so much in a hurry, and because I love the dress, I forgot to make it to layer properly for you all to see the style. But today I will take my time to show you also. This is going to be my date night dress.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't want to spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch. And
for the next date, it's gonna be a bar date. All right, if you want to go to the bar, you want to look, all put together, you want to look chic and elegant. I mean, I don't want to look like trashy when I go to places like that, because different type of people will be at the bar, and you want to make sure you look very elegant and outstanding. So this is what I would recommend, this kind of dress. It's beautiful with a little bit of detailing at the sleeve. This is also by Guess, and this is how this is looking. Notice that it's not all about pink when it comes to Valentine. You can do other colors of your choice that you feel like it will fit. I mean, you know, style is about comfortability, so you want to do what is comfortable with you. This video is just to inspire you. This is Valentine's outfit idea. All right, so in the next one, which is going to be our concert date, I want to look like, oh wow. So I'm going to be pairing this top. This top is from Shein. I think I thrifted this. I found this in a thrift store. And also this is a short that I'm going to be styling it with it, and you're going to see the footwear that I'm going to wear with it. It's very appropriate for the concert.
Hey, looking like we're getting something started today, cause our body no play. Tell them girl levels to the glow. Murder on the dance floor, how you moving it, babe? I'm taking the bait.
It's just for a sport look. So some people might be wondering why would you want to wear white to a sport event. You are not going to be the official of the sport. You're going as a guest, so you're just going to sit behind the bench cheering people that are playing whatever game that you're going to go and be looking at as a date for Valentine. You just want to be comfortable. At the same time, you want to look all put together. So this is the next one I'm going to be sharing with you for sports events. This crop top is from Under Armour. I think my pants is from Fashion Nova long time ago, and this crop top, which is not that crop but it's very tight fitted, is from Shein. Never ever pretend to be who you are not if you're going to meet the parents during the Valentine. Wear whatever that you feel comfortable with. This video is just to inspire you. When I met my own in-law for the very first time, I was wearing a mini skirt. Yes, a short skirt, so they could know me for the way I dress. That is who I am. Even though I decided I wanted to change, my fiancé, which is my hobby now, told me not to change. I should dress the way I'm comfortable so that they can accept me the way I am. This is why I am telling you outfit, which is for meeting the parents. This is what I'm going to be styling today. Is a dress, very appropriate, all right, and very elegant, very girly, very chic. And this is the one that I said is the new one I just purchased from Walmart. I saw it at the clearance section when I went to shop, and I was like, why not? So I've not tried it since I bought it, so I'm going to be trying this on for you guys.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
Ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please give me a like. Please like this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.